Okay, so as we continue the 1965 interior restoration, I got the 2 wheel humps on now. And it's just now the centerpiece I have to do. So I gotta iron out these wrinkles just a little bit more. I can work with that a little bit, but I did trim the excess material off. As long as you do keep a little bit of material here, so the back carpet can overlap this, you are good to go. One thing I wanted to point it out too here is your carpet can come up a bit to the top. There's a fly again, and you can overlap the headliner a bit going up this way. But also understand too, there is a screw here and a hole to attach that hook for the bungee strap that attaches to your backrest to your back seat. So you make sure you have this clear. You don't want this carpet to go up too high and cover this hole here. And then the back carpet will come up, and pretty self-explanatory, and level off right here, and you just glue that down.